So my name is Ross McCartney. I am the president of Welding Works. Welding Works is multifaceted. We have about 4 different markets that we serve. We serve other manufacturers in providing platforms and railings and things to handle their daily operations. We also serve markets in the construction industry, the architectural and art industry, and then we also serve other larger contracts where we are turnkey operations for systems. The acquisition was really multifaceted. I was looking for a company that had a large customer base, not serving one particular market, a broad customer concentration. Wanted something that was, in the fabrication industry, but yet not really pinned down to one particular market, and Welding Works met that need in both fronts. So this was my first acquisition, and Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers really helped me through the process. There were a lot of things that I didn't know. They came to me with all the financials very well laid out. They also were very pivotal in making sure that the details of the long-term relationship between Walter and Price were maintained to support me for future success. I would say that their expertise in understanding businesses and understanding the things that have to happen to get it across the finish line are important. Me, from a buyer standpoint, I wanted to know that I didn't get far down a process and find out that it wasn't going to work out, and invested a lot of time and energy in it. They helped to make sure that this was going to be a right fit for me as well as the sellers.